Hello, we're here today in Santan Valley. We're going to be looking at a home in the Promenade. It's a development by Fulton, and we'll be looking at the Fairwinds today. It's a beautiful split floor plan, single level. Love that. And it's here in the sought after area here in the Southeast Valley, and that's because simply there's more new builds because there's land available. And another bonus that is gotten from that is that, relatively speaking, the homes, you get a lot more bang for your buck. And why that is, well, you're going to be getting a newer home, a larger home, a better home for the same money that you would be paying for a smaller and older home, say in Mesa, Chandler, Tempe. So without any further ado, come along with me. Let's take a look at this beautiful Fairwinds at the Promenade. That was another beautiful home by Fulton here at the Promenade in the Santan Valley, the Fairwinds. If you would like to see this model, I would love to show it to you. Just give me a call, reach out. I have a wonderful relationship with these builders. You know, whether it's the Fairwinds model here at the Promenade, or a Fairway model, or any neighborhood here in the Southeast Valley, I would love to help you reach your real estate dreams. My contact information is right here. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you aboard. If you're coming back, I want to welcome you back. I continuously put out current information to be a source for you and keep you updated on our ever-changing real estate market here in the beautiful Valley of the Sun. As always, reach out to me. Would love to help you, love to talk to you. And remember, I'm always just a phone call away.